You can see that this side of his face is really swollen. Open wide. Well, let's not show him, okay? Give me a smile. Can you smile still? Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, are you feeling up to going and hanging out with your friends? Okay, you can go play. I have been looking forward to the date on today's calendar for a little hot minute because nothing, zilch, zero. I had nothing on the calendar. And then I woke up and I got an invitation in the mail to an event, and the kids' dentists were on that day. I know the kids haven't been to the dentist in a while, and so I was like, oh, that's important. I can't have someone else take them. Like, I need to be there. So I called, and you guys know how difficult it is to like get into the dentist. Like, it's never easy. It's never an easy thing. So I called the dentist and I was like, hey, I'm so sorry. Like, I've had this appointment on my books for so long. Is there any way that we can change it? And she was like, you called at the most perfect time. I just had someone cancel was it today? No, this was yesterday. Today for tomorrow. So she's like, come in tomorrow. I was like, oh, okay. So then I was like, okay, well, I have nothing on the calendar. We'll just go in and do dentist appointments at 8 in the morning. So I like look haggard and I like okay. I go into the dentist and they showed me the x-ray of Boston's tooth. He's like, I want to show you.
Hey. You got one more garbage can.
You guys have more garbage cans, go out. And if the neighbors have garbage cans, get the neighbors' garbage cans in. Go here. Yes, but you have choice first.
You go open the gate and Cody will get that garbage can. Hurry.
They showed me Boston's tooth. Ugh. Oh yeah. Okay, so they showed me his tooth x-ray from last year. Hold on, let me see. Can you smell it?
I'm never gonna smell it. If that thing's open again,
Bossy, I want to see it. He showed me the x-ray from last year. It had 2 firm like roots down into his mouth. And then he showed me the x-ray. This is one side of his roots. And then on the other side, there was a whole other side to that tooth. And it completely decayed off. Like the roots.
What would you say would cause that?
So I don't know, he had a filling in that tooth and it just rapidly decayed.
I freaking hate teeth.
I know. So I did these stories on Instagram and I was like, anyone else have like childhood dentist trauma? And the amount of comments were insane and the stories were insane. Everyone was just like, me, like my dentist would leave bruises on my face. My dentist would like, okay, tell me if you have pain. And then when they had pain, they would be like, nah, you're fine. So then we had to go back to the dentist to get a tooth pulled. So that like took up my entire afternoon, which is like great because all I wanted to do was lay in bed. So me and Bossy laid in bed all afternoon. Me and Boston laid in bed all afternoon, and I think the laughing gas and the numbing is kind of wearing off, so he feels much more ready to hang out with his friends, which has left me with, I have not done anything for dinner. Joel did a today's task all afternoon, and so, did you help him?
A little bit.
Oh, awesome.
I got 3 shots and I didn't cry, and Cody like was about to cry and he got I never did. I got 3 and he got
Cody!
he got
You're so tough. That's because the shots hurt. I bet.
3 and it did not hurt. Okay, did once.
I bet you were so brave.
One thing, the person who put the band-aid on, she put it on like all below it. The sticky part was on like where she stuck the needle and she had the needle right here.
Okay. Oh yeah. So then I was like, you know, if we're going and getting our dentist stuff done, I know that Olivia needs some immunizations before school starts. And so I called the doctor and they were like, we can get you in today and we have room for 2 well checks. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so convenient. So I was planning on taking the kids to their well checks, but then it took longer with Boston than I thought. So what I also was gonna say, I know this is a lot of talking and I apologize. And I always get so self-conscious when I do like long talking and I have like no makeup on and like, guys, I know that I non-stop say things about my bangs. I asked for curtain bangs. I don't know if I like love it. I think I do. And I asked him, I was like, what do you think of my bangs? And he's like, They're fine. We all know what fine means.
I think they look great.
He hates them. No, I hate them. I did my hair curly for the first time, and you know, I don't know. We're just gonna go with it, and we're just gonna go with it. So after the first dentist, you have to listen to me.
Yeah, okay.
Look at me and pay attention. I'm talking to you and these guys. I'm mostly telling you, and you know, so you know about my day.
I know the
Okay, so no, you don't.
Oh, okay.
I went to Neater's after the first appointment.
Yeah, I know that. I didn't get any.
And the cashier was like, oh my gosh, I watch your videos. And she was so cute, so sweet. The only thing that I could think of was, she's staring at my bangs, she's staring at my bangs. She's wondering what the heck I did with my bangs. When we went to the dentist the second time around, I sat in the waiting room across from a girl, and she was like, I watch your videos. I was like, oh, awesome. And
That's
so
funny.
we chit-chatted about the house. And that was really fun. And then when I went back, the dentist was like, are you still doing YouTube? I was like, yeah. And he's like, all right, well, I have this idea. And he was like talking to me, and it was really kind of fun.
Fun.
So we like talked YouTube, and that was kind of fun. That's all I guess I wanted to say. Hey, are you okay now? Do you need me to get your tissue?
Been crying, so?
I did not cry.
I know, you're too tough. Oh.
You peeled the band-aid.
Oh.
Watch, hit me, try me.
No, we're gonna be nice to each other. Okay, everyone, give the baby a big hug goodnight. Cody, can you hug your baby brother? Cody's like, oh, you're human. Oh, okay, well, everyone was being really cute earlier until I got the camera out. Never mind, they were playing along, being so cute. Okay. Baby boy, can you?
It's good night time.
Okay, never mind. Everyone was being really cute. They came in,
Baby's feet
everyone
are
wanted to
always so
see.
ticklish.
Oh, they are. Baby's feet are ticklish. Everyone was checking on Bossy after he got his tooth out. He came in and took a nap. I think you needed that, huh? And everyone said, where's Boston? How come he's not at the dinner table? Everyone was missing you and loving you. Sometimes that's all people need to know, is that they feel loved and missed, huh?
No.
Who asked you?
Your opinion's not.
Yeah. Cody has so much energy. All right, fruit flies. I was breathing in fruit flies. There were so many of them, and I was like, all right, I am Googling how to get rid of fruit flies. And I wasn't sure if it was gonna work,
But it did.
I'm going to tell you the secret to getting rid of fruit flies overnight. We had a bunch of fruit in here, so get rid of the fruit. We basically ate it up. I was like, all right, for dinner we're eating all the fruit and getting rid of the stuff that's out here. There was a banana that they were especially loving, and so I got a container. I poured apple cider vinegar in there, and I'm not sure if you need Dawn dish soap, but I drizzled a little bit of Dawn dish soap in there, like swooshed it around so there was some bubbles, and then put their favorite piece of fruit right there, covered in saran wrap, poked holes with forks in it.
Or 9.
And yeah, lots of forks all over the top of it. Before I show you the end result, I just have to tell you, I would go to grab the handle right here and like 5 fruit flies would fly at my face. I would come over here to turn the water on and 5 fruit flies would fly all over the place. It was horrible, it was horrible. So we did this last night and there's nothing. I can move my hands all around. Fruit flies aren't moving anywhere.
One of them is out. Just one of them.
In the bathroom? Oh, really? Well, okay, there's a few stragglers, but let me show you. Oh,
I killed one right here too.
that's so strong. We need to get this out. Okay, but, oh, that is so strong. Hold on, okay. The whole bottom of this tray is full of fruit flies, and they are no longer flying around my house. So if you have fruit flies, this actually works at getting rid of them. I think I basically saved your lives with that amazing hack. It's the best hack I've ever tried in my entire life. Saved my life. It actually made me so much more happy. The flies were making me enjoy my life. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.